Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 won't close properly, you might be dealing with a faulty closure system. This issue can arise from wear and tear over time or even a misalignment of the components. If left unresolved, it could lead to more significant problems, affecting the device's performance and potentially causing damage to the internal mechanisms. To tackle this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a replacement closure mechanism for the TM5, and a soft cloth to keep everything clean. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before you begin. Carefully flip the device over on a soft surface to avoid any scratches. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. The closure mechanism can be found near the hinge area. Inspect it for any signs of damage or misalignment. If it appears faulty, use your tweezers to carefully disconnect it from the wiring, paying attention to any clips or connectors. Make sure to apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging nearby components. After disconnecting the old mechanism, take your replacement part and connect it in the same manner as the original. Make sure it clicks into place. Once secured, double-check that all wires are properly connected and that nothing is pinched or out of place. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the body, ensuring everything aligns correctly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not excessively, as over-tightening could cause damage. Finally, flip the device back to its upright position and plug it in. Test the closure mechanism to ensure it operates smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean and check the closure system for any signs of wear. Avoid forcing the lid closed, as this can lead to further damage. Additionally, store your Thermomix in a safe spot to prevent accidental impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.